Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I did these super cute boho human hair locks. Keep on watching. So these boho human hair locks are from Toyotress. These are 22 inches in the color 1B. Absolutely obsessed with how beautiful they are, how full they are, lightweight, loving them. I'll give you a quick 360, then we'll talk about the hair a little more and get right into the tutorial. Absolutely obsessed. So I did the individual crochet method and I wrapped the base of the lock with some spring twist hair. And you can't even tell where the wrapping ends and where the actual lock begins. Absolutely loving it. So the hair came in a package like this. 8 packs came inside of here. I used 6 packs. Actually, I have a few left out of the 6th pack, so there's 2 here that I haven't used yet. It also comes with the crochet hook and then the Toyotress insert. Let me show you what the hair looks like. So 10 locks come in each pack. There's a pack of 8, so you get a total of 80 locks. I have 53 or 54 locks in my hair, and it's super full. So 1 pack is definitely enough for a full head. This is what the locks look like. Super cute. So it comes with some human hair boho pieces. Comes with 2, 3, 4 to 5 pieces on each lock. And then there's also a piece at the end of each one. These are super cute. Again, lightweight. Quality is 10 out of 10. Absolutely loving it. So I will do another video with some different styles that you can do with these boho locks, as well as a maintenance video. So make sure that you're subscribed and turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss any of my uploads. So let's get right into this tutorial. So let me know what you think of this style in the comment section below. If you're feeling these boho locks from Toyotress like I am, I'm absolutely obsessed. Also, quick tip, if you get a protective style and it's feeling a little tight, like these, they're not pulling or anything like that. Nothing that I can't handle or nothing that's like damaging to my hair or my scalp or anything, but they are fairly tight. They are new. I literally just completed this look. So what I do is I add some eucalyptus mint type of oil to my scalp, and then I set under my steamer. Game changer. Loosens it up, makes your scalp feel good. Definitely a game changer. So again, I will be doing another video update, a maintenance video, styling, how I style these locks. So make sure you stay tuned for that. As always, thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.